1,100 per cow. That's crazy. That's just flat crazy. We would not be able to do that. We could not afford that. We would have to close the doors. The repercussion from my customers that I sell milk to would be astronomical. I mean, it would be devastating. But more importantly to our family, that would be the end of the multi-generational farm that we have here in Whatcom County. It would be the end of it. This is our corporate office, the kitchen table. This is where business is transacted. This is where not only business is transacted, but the kitchen table is where the family eats and decisions get made and everything else that is involved with the farm. Kitchen table, the kitchen. The kitchen is the center of the whole farm and the family and everything else like that. As blessed as we are on a farm, there's no way I could survive a financial hit if that were implemented and I was told to have to do that. No. And I talk about the corporate office. Well, the corporate office goes on all day long, and if we didn't have the farm, I'd probably have to be off. That would be a real challenge at 63 years of age to go find a new job. Agriculture, animal agriculture, it's not only a job and a business, but it's a lifestyle also. It's a lifestyle that is so rewarding, and I'm so thankful I have it. I'd hate to ever have to give it up because of some measures beyond my control.